Hello students, are you afraid of English pedagogy? Do you find it difficult to understand the topics of English pedagogy? Then stop, I have the solution for you. I am making this video for the students from all over India who are going to appear for the CTET examination on 16th of December 2021. I am going to announce that I have written an English pedagogy ebook in the most easiest language possible. I have read at least 3 to 4 books of reputed publishers and I have found out that no book is student friendly. So if you are afraid of English pedagogy and you find it difficult to understand the topic of English pedagogy, then I will suggest you to buy this ebook and understand English pedagogy in a very simple way. Why you will purchase this? I will explain you the reason. English pedagogy is one of the most tricky subjects, and if you don't understand the topic and what is written on the topic, then you will find it difficult to even answer a single question. So, I will suggest you to purchase this book just for ₹99 and go through this book for 10 days of 10 chapters and then revise it for 4 to 5 days. In 2 weeks, you will understand the topics and the details of English pedagogy in the most easiest way. So, if you think that English pedagogy is a nightmare to you and you are not even answering properly a single question on practice sets, then just go through this ebook for 10 to 14 days and then just go and practice them. Here you will get all the chapters, 10 chapters in detail writing and then practice set for question answer. After reading this, I can assure you that you will not even understand English pedagogy, but you will master English pedagogy. I will not say that you will be a doctorate in English pedagogy, but from the exam point of view, you need to understand each and every subject of English pedagogy in a very clear way. If you do not make out what the question demands from you, then you will not be able to answer. So go through this book and understand each and every topic. First go through this book and try to understand what is written on the topic, because in English pedagogy we need to understand, we need to make out the topic first. We have a clear concept of what is written in the topic and what the topic says. So I can assure you, if you go through this ebook, you will not even complain that you are not understanding it. I can guarantee you. The language I have used is the most student friendly language I have used. Even if you are not from an English background, even then you will understand it. So don't hesitate. Just pay 99. The link is on the description. Just pay 99 and I can assure you, you will not regret it. So if you think this ebook will help you, you can purchase it and I can assure you this ebook will surely help you. So don't waste your time. Just go through this ebook and master English pedagogy. Thank you for watching.